Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're gonna go fishing. And someone's trying not to laugh because she doesn't want to be part of the vlog. Some guy's letting me pass. Very nice gentleman.
And Kanan here.
So we got the fishing rods up, right, Kanan?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go fishing.
Yeah.
Monster's energy when the monster comes out. Rawr. Hi.
Did you guys get a map already?
Yeah, we got one.
Have a good
Thank
one.
you too.
See ya.
Is that Ed? We're trying to find Ed. He's our fishing guide.
Me!
Down in the Everglades.
Papa, you got my net?
Of course we did, buddy. How else are we gonna catch them fish? Catch the monster, boy. Little snook.